excited. I'm just gonna get into it. I ordered the entire INH Hair Birthday Collection for 2021 and it accidentally got routed to Germany and then like traveled through 3 different cities in Germany and then finally came back to Canada. So it's been a little more than 3 weeks since I placed my order, so I'm just ready to open it. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna pull stuff out and try it on. I also got the mystery box. I didn't realize at the time, of course they didn't tell us, that there are actually 2 different mystery boxes and I haven't peeked yet to see which one I got, but I also ordered a second one and I'm hoping that I can end up with both boxes or at least trade someone else for one. The mystery box also came with cotton candy fairy floss, the Super Shine serum, which I'm not sure if I'll use. I'll probably just give it away or sell it. The Quick Slick, which I have been wanting to try. It's just pretty expensive, but I am excited to try it out. And then their Don't Be Naughty brush that I have been curious about, so I am excited to try it. Oh, this is the brush. So cute. It does actually feel really nice. Oh, and it does actually brush nicely. For those of you who don't know, I do wear hair extensions and I have to be really particular about the brushes that I use on them because they will break. But wow, this is actually nice on my hair extensions. I already have brushes that I love, so I was never actually going to buy this, but wow, it's actually super nice. Okay, I recommend this if you wear hair extensions or wigs, definitely. First, I found the Brit ponytail in unicorn and I actually got 2 of them because I want to make them into pigtails, so I'm going to try it as just a regular ponytail and then also as pigtails. This is the Brit unicorn ponytail. So pretty, so long. See how she brushes out. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so obsessed with this brush. I was, again, never gonna buy it, but I highly recommend it. This is really nice. Look how fluffy it makes it. Okay, time to try it on. I have been waiting for a unicorn hair wig and I also love the ponytail. I actually got 2 of these, so I'm going to try it on with pigtails. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I mean, you can probably see my braid hiding in here. I would do a better job if I weren't just quickly trying these on, but I feel like I would wear these to a festival or, I don't know, a Halloween costume, a regular Tuesday if you know me. I love them. So, so cute. Next we have Rosie. She's so cute. Let's try her on. By the way, for anyone who hates opening INH packages, I've ruined so many scissors and then I found these ones at Michael's for like $6 and it says that they cut through titanium. Anyway, it's called Westcott Titanium. That's the brand and they're amazing. It's super easy. You just, and like this was after me struggling for ages with other scissors, so little tip. Okay, watch this. Do you see how much more natural and full she looks on this side compared to this side? Now I'm gonna brush it out. I feel about this one on me. So it's a dark root to like a rose gold to a blonde. It's really pretty, but I'm just not certain I completely love it. The cap size is a lot stretchier than the ones that INH has made in the past, so I'm actually really happy with the cap itself. And I'll probably still keep the wig, it's just not one of my favorites. And it's got more of a Swiss lace front, which is a little less natural than a regular lace front, so I'm not crazy about that. that, but because it does come down in front, it does hide it, so I don't mind it too much. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Oh my gosh, Luna, she looks so different in different pictures, so I'm really curious to see how she actually looks in person. Watch. Again, look how fluffy and full it gets when you brush them out. And remember, with synthetic hair and even real hair too, always start from the bottom and work up, especially with synthetic hair, because it'll prevent it from breaking. Okay, Luna is way cuter than I thought she would be. I wasn't sure if I was going to super love her, but I do really love colorful wigs. It's my favorite way to play with my hair and do fun colors that I don't normally, or that I just don't want to commit to. So I think it's so cute, and I want to do like little pigtails too. Oh, there's Lily having a little allergy attack. But I want to do like little pigtails too. I think that would be so super cute, or even like little buns up at the top. I'm so excited to play with this wig and do so many fun cute looks with it. So I got Holly, and I'll show you what she looks like. Okay, wow. Oh my god. What? Like, what? Okay, it has a side part. And it's like dark roots to silver to blue. There's another one that has dark roots to blonde to red that I was really hoping I was going to get, and I was a little bit sad when I saw that I got this one, but honestly, she's my favorite of all the wigs and hair pieces I just got. I am obsessed. The other thing I'm really happy about is INH has greatly improved their wig cap size. I feel like, and I mean, a lot of us have said this, that they were too small, and especially for me, I have so much hair to hide underneath, and the fact that it can fit over and it stretches rather than just being a really large cap, like it actually looks quite small and then just stretches over, which is great. And it feels comfortable. I don't feel like my head is being squeezed in. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this wig. I'm just in love. So this is Holly. There's another one called Hana. I'm really hoping to get her in soon. I'll let you know when I do. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if you would like me to try out the Quick Slick and the Super Shine Serum, let me know. I might give it a shot. Oh, and of course the fairy floss. I'm not going to be trying it on in this video just because it's basically a one-time use. I've heard from other INH babes that it can be pretty tricky to work with, and once you take it out of your hair, that's it. It's trash. So I'm gonna save this for a time when I really feel like wearing it out. If you're new to my channel and you wanna stick around, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye, Lena.